Meaning of flight recorder.
Flight recorder.
Flight recorder.
Flight recorder.
Flight recorder. A flight recorder, commonly known as a black box, is an electronic device installed on aircraft to record various parameters related to the flight. This includes data such as altitude, airspeed, heading, and communications. The main purpose of a flight recorder is to provide investigators with valuable information in the event of an accident or incident. By analyzing the data recorded by the flight recorder, investigators can better understand what occurred during a flight and take steps to prevent similar incidents from happening in the future.